Hello, I'm Ben Williams with Old Tin Cup Habitat Restoration Enhancement. Welcome back to Land Management A to Z, and today we're talking about our letter D, design. Now we got a emerald ash borer pretty much identified here on the property. So we're having a logger come in to harvest the ash trees from the property. So while we're doing this, we're laying out and designing the key logging roads and a couple food plot locations based on stand access, stand location, and then overall huntability to make it a productive piece of the puzzle going down the road while we're in here doing all this work. So let's look at the map a little bit, see what we're designing. So what we got here is this a small little bowl ravine that we use as a food plot location. It wasn't a food plot this year because it was a little wet. Then we're gonna have this big main travel corridor coming down through here. Food plot with stand locations accompanying. It's really good accessibility for hunting with the established trails that the deer already run on these ridges. These key food plot locations, good stand access and huntability gives us a successful design that stacks the odds in our favor. So here we are down in the bottom. This is going to become the primary bedding spot relative to where they used to bed up on top. We're going to make the higher quality bedding down here in this design. We've come down in here, marked out our ash trees and some other trees that are going to be taken down in this timber harvest with our green and orange spray paint accordingly. When they come through here with this is going to let an extreme amount of sunlight down to the forest floor here, which is going to blow up with grassy forbs, shrubs, small trees, saplings, as well as all these stump shoots in here. This is going to be great cover. And to make this spot even better, we're designing it so it's a high quality bedding area. We're down in here, it's pretty windy, and we're getting down in here. The wind's blowing over the top of us. We're gonna put evergreens in here and plant them in as well. That way they have thermal cover, wind breaks in the wintertime, and this will be a great late season bedding as well as an all-around bedding for the deer all year long. So this gap here is an area where all the trees were already taken out of this area. So this gives you kind of a rough idea of what this is gonna look like in a couple years. Now we're not going through and clear cutting like they did in this little small sliver on this piece, but that's what that little woods on that side and the woods we just looked at that was marked is going to look like relatively, with still some standing timber in it. That's going to give a lot of nice browse out there, like this ash that's coming right back up, as well as a lot of these berry bushes, grapevine, a lot of that stuff, goldenrod, just tons and tons of food that's going to be available now, and high quality food that equals cover. I'm Ben Williams from Old Tin Cup Habitat Restoration and Enhancement. I want to thank everyone for tuning in today for Land Management A to Z. If you like this video or learned something, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or tell us how your land management's going on your property and what you're designing this year, drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to share it around to your family and friends. And again, thank everyone for tuning into this upcoming episode, and I'll see you all next time here in the field.